Shri Dinesh Kumar Khara, Chairman SBI, Shri Ajay Kumar Chaudhary, Executive Director, Reserve Bank of India, Shri Atul Kumar Goel, Chairman IBA and MD and CEO, Punjab National Bank, Shri Sunil Mehta, Chief Executive, Indian Banks Association. Namaste and a very good evening to our distinguished guests, speakers, Chief Executive Officers, Managing Directors, Executive Directors, members of the Managing Committee and our fellow members of Indian Banks Association and all other senior officials representing banks, Reserve Bank of India, fintechs and the media fraternity. I am your host Mukti from Indian Banks Association and I feel extremely delighted to welcome you all to IBA's first ever conference on India's digital rupee journey. Going by the Indian tradition, to invoke the divine blessing, we will now have the ceremonial lighting of the traditional lamp. May I now request Shri Sunil Mehta, Chief Executive, IBA, to lead the dignitaries for the lighting of the lamp. Thank you, dignitaries. May this glowing lamp lead us to healthy, peaceful, and prosperous times, and may we look forward to an enlightening session. May I now request Shri A.K. Goel to welcome Shri T. Ravi Shankar with a bouquet of flowers. May I request Shri Dinesh Kumar Khara to welcome Shri Ajay Kumar Chaudhary with a bouquet of flowers. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, at the outset, I would now like to invite Shri Sunil Mehta, Chief Executive, Indian Banks Association, to welcome the distinguished guests and dignitaries. Over to you, sir.
You know, this conference on central bank digital currency with the name India Digital Rupee Journey, Learnings from the Pilot and Way Forward, it's a great journey and we as Indians are proud of it because in the world, I have attended an international banking conference. I think our regulator is way ahead in introducing it.
Thank you for setting the tone for the session, sir. May I now invite Shri Dinesh Kumar Khara, Chairman, State Bank of India, to deliver this special address. Over to you, sir.
This, of course, is a digital bank note, much better than the crypto, where there is a claim on the Reserve Bank of India or the central bank of the countries.
Thank you for your insightful address, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, I feel absolutely honored to now invite Shri T. Ravi Shankar, Deputy Governor, Reserve Bank of India, sir, 1 minute, to deliver the keynote address. But before that, a quick brief about him. Shri T. Ravi Shankar is a career central banker. I like listening to you. Thank you, sir. His current areas of responsibility include reserves management, public debt management, payment systems, IT infrastructure, currency management, and foreign exchange management. Sir has served as a consultant to the IMF on developing government bond markets and debt management. He has represented RBI on international forums like Bank for International Settlements and various internal and external expert committees and working groups. Sir, it is indeed a privilege to have you with us today. Please, over to you.
Good evening, and that felt nice. So. In fact, I think, had lunch with many of you today. And I don't know, but in the average life of a banker, half a day spent in the central bank, coming out and then having to listen to a central banker for a pre-dinner is, is probably not an ideal day, I expect.
Thank you very much, sir, for the detailed and interesting account on the topic, along with relevant examples. It is always a pleasure to listen to you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for interaction and for taking a few questions. I would request participants to kindly confine your questions to CBDC only. You can raise your hands. My colleagues will reach out to you. Okay, so we'll first take questions from the media. Thank you very much, sir. With this, ladies and gentlemen, we come to the end of an enriching conference. I request bankers and fintechs to stay back as Deputy Governor Sir would like to have an interaction with you, and you may also ask the questions which I must have stopped you from asking. Okay, and I request the media to join us for dinner in the adjoining Malabar room, please. My colleagues will guide you. So please enjoy your dinner and have a lovely evening. Thank you very much.